got here as soon as I could, Spidey. What's the trouble?
Glad you could help, Spin. Someone set off the alarm in the library.
Who'd steal from a library? You can borrow the books for free.
Huh. Good question. That might give us the answer.
That's Green Goblin's glider. He must have broken in.
I think the best thing to do is sneak up on him, super quietly, and find out what he's doing.
Right, with my cloaking power. Nobody's better at sneaking up on bad guys than me. Go, Webs, go!
Looks like Gotti broke through the window.
Look! That room with the light on is my favorite in the whole library.
That's where they keep all the books about legends?
Exactly. Books that are filled with stories from a long time ago. So, what's Green Goblin doing in there?